you can oil it or you can butter it. So I've got a little bit of extra vegetable oil. Okay, so I'm oiling that ring like this. That's going to help me to put my baking parchment, okay? I want my baking parchment to be slightly, not just level, slightly above my ring, okay? So I'm going to use 2 baking parchment. Here we are. The oil is helping the baking parchment to stick to the ring, which is nice. If not, it's quite difficult to just put a baking parchment like this. So I'm putting one, it's going to overlap, so you'll have, in a way, a double layer of baking parchment. More oil over my baking parchment, like this. And I'm going to do the same thing for the other half. Okay?